In this video, I will show you how to forward telemetry data from Coiote IoT DM platform to InfluxDB Cloud for the carbon dioxide air quality sensors. To do this, you need to have the account in Influx Cloud, and you can create such account for free. Also, it is important to have collected telemetries from your device. Let's start from the Data Integration Center. For this, from the left side menu, select Integrations and Data Integration Center. Push the Add Event Handler button and select the method. To forward data to Influx Cloud, you need to choose Webhook method. We will forward the temperature data, so let's name it Temperature Data Forwarder. And we can activate this event handler after creation. To forward device telemetry, we need to choose Telemetry in Events and search for the temperature. You can pick either the entire object or one of the resources. We will pick the sensor value resource. Go to the next step, where you've got the configuration parameters. Firstly, we need to change data formatting to Influx. We need to fill URL address and API token. For this, we need to jump to the Influx Cloud account. To forward any data to Influx, we need to create a bucket, which is a place where Influx stores data. Let's name it Coiote Demo. Now, we need the bucket ID, so copy this and store in the notepad. We also need the API token, so go to the next tab and create one by choosing Custom Creation option. Pick specific bucket, so the Coiote bucket, and choose Read and Write Access. Generate the token and copy this to Notepad. As you can see, there is already copied the URL address to Influx Cloud. So let's return to the configuration parameters in Coiote. We'll start filling the URL address. This part requires 3 parts. The first one is the hostname. The second one you can find in InfluxDB Cloud documentation in the Write Data section. The second part is this path, /API/v2/write. And the third part is our bucket ID, where we want to have data. We also need the API token. But if we provide the wrong token and create the handler, the entire data forwarding process will fail. We can prevent this by testing handler here. Let's try to test this with the wrong token. Fill the field and click Test Event Handler button. We've got unauthorized error. It means that credentials are wrong. So let's paste the right credentials here. Copy them from the notepad and paste in the field. Test it, and as you can see, the event handler test succeeded. Go back to the Influx Cloud, to the bucket, and verify if the data arrived. And as you can see, we have one event arrived. Go back to the Coiote and finish the creation. You can check here if everything is alright and create a handler. As soon as we added the handler, we should see new data in our Influx arriving to the bucket. Hit Run again, and you can see a new event arrived. And by clicking the Run button, you should see new data, which are going to arrive every 5 seconds. And that's all for the cloud connection with InfluxDB Cloud. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video!